Hello guys, I hope you guys are all doing good. Welcome back to Boske's FX Forex Group. If you are new here guys, welcome to the family. Just hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss our new content when we upload our next video. In today's video guys, we are going to show you a simplified explanation on how to find good order blocks in H1 time frame. So guys, as you can see here guys, this was our previous drop, base drop, and then the price just went up, breaking the previous lower high, creating a new high. Then the price came at the first time, but they didn't reach in the good order block zone. Also, as you can see, they did come, but they didn't reach the good order block zone. So this one we were going to miss it. Why? Because they didn't reach the good order block area zone. And then the price went up and took out the previous high, creating a new high. As you can see, this was our new high. Then price here at the first, they failed to break it, so I was not going to take an order block order here as a buy entry. And then they came after breaking the previous high, creating a new high, meaning this was a good order block zone area, which was in our good bullish engulfing candlestick, as you can see. And then I was going to take this one. Why? Because the price was going up, and as you can see, they went up. Also, they have taken out the previous high, creating a new high. But as you can see here guys, before market breaking the previous high, they have created a rally base, meaning this is our rally. Because I get DM on my Telegram, people asking me what is a rally. This is a rally, this is a rally, and this will now become our base. Then the price will go up after creating a base area, meaning at this zone is where we get our order block zone area. As you can see here guys, this was our order block zone area, which was good enough. And then the dealer just came back and took the orders and shifted the market going up. And now the dealer have taken out the previous lower high, which was created here. And then the market came back down to test our order block zone area, and we are going to use the same order block as this one, because this one was a fast rejection, but this one was good. Why? Because the market have just taken out the previous lower high, and this one was a fresh demand which was never tested after taking out the fresh supply. And then the dealer just came back and took the orders and shifted the market from that zone going way up. Now the dealer have also taken out the previous lower high, as you can see, the previous high, sorry, as you can see, creating a new high here. As you can see, this was our new high. And then the dealer just came back to the previous rally base. As you can see, this was rally base rally, and shifted the market after taking the orders. As you can see, they just took the orders and shifted the market going way up. So it's easy for you to understand your market structure than to trade everything you see in the market. So you have to follow the market structure. So guys, let's go to another example. As you can see here, we do have volatility 50, and let's go to H1 time frame so you can have a clear view. So as you can see here guys, the market was going up. As you can see, the price was going up, and now the price have taken out the previous lower high, which was this one. Also, this was our previous what lower high, which you can see here. This was our previous lower high, and it was taken out, meaning this was our demand zone, was taken out, creating a new what, a new lower low here, as you can see. Now the price have gone to the previous what, to the previous order block zone area, which was this one, where we get our sniper entry points. And then the market shifted from this zone going down, and as you can see, they have also taken out this previous lower high. This was a rally base rally, which was taken out, creating a new what, a new lower low. As you can see, this was a pin in-calf. You can see it if you zoom in. As you can see, this was a pin in-calf here, a pin in-calf. So we had two confirmation for us to understand that the dealer have to go way down. And now the dealer have taken out the previous demand zone. As you can see, this was our previous demand zone. After taking out the previous demand zone, the dealer just came back to the previous what, drop, base, drop, meaning they've come for the orders at our base area, which was this one, which was this one, as you can see. But they just give us a sniper. But if you were going to being taken out, you were going to wait for the dealer to break the previous what, the previous lower low. As you can see, this was our previous lower low, and then the dealer, after the dealer went down, they've created a what, a drop, base, drop, meaning this was our order block zone area, which where the orders were at. As you can see, the dealer just took the orders and continued going down. So once you understand that, you now be looking for the previous what, lower highs. As you can see, this was our lower high, previous lower high, as you can see here, and this previous lower high was taken out, but the dealer just went to the previous one, the previous what, previous demand zone, sorry, the demand zone. And as you can see here, they failed to break the previous what, demand zone. As you can see, let me just show you, they failed to break the previous demand zone. So you, if you were going to take entries here, guys, as you can see, the market just took out the previous lower high. This was our previous lower high also, and then the dealer just took out the previous lower low. We were going to wait for the market to go up and take out the previous what, the previous lower high, which you can see this was our previous lower high, as you can see, and it was taken out. But the dealer didn't come to the previous what, to the previous higher low, which was this one. As you can see here, guys, this was our previous higher low. The dealer didn't come, so meaning the dealer have to come and collect the orders in this area and shift the market going up. So if you understand this, guys, you'll be a profitable trader and you get good entry zone. And as you can see here, guys, we have volatility 75 1s. Let me just clear the chart, and you have another example on how to identify good order blocks. So as you can see here, guys, the market have created a what, a rally base rally, meaning this was our previous demand zone. But as you can see on our right side here, we do not have a drop base drop, but the drop base drop was in the middle of what, of it was below, sorry, the previous demand zone, as you can see. But the dealer just came back to the previous what, the previous drop base drop, and took the orders and shifted the market going down. And now this was our what, our big engulf. Why? Because this was our previous what, our previous higher low, which was taken out by this move, creating a new what, a new lower low here. Now as you can see, they just came back to the previous order block, which was in this area. They just came back and took the orders, going with them up. And now they've also taken out the previous lower high, creating a new higher high, going back to the previous supply zone. So you can trade both direction if you understand what's going on in the market. And this was our previous order block area, and that's where the dealer just came and took the orders and shifted the market going way up. And as you can see, while the price was going up, they have also taken out the previous high